Poppin' YouTube, it's your boy Nav here, back with another video today.
Hey boys, it's your boy.
What's up? What's up, y'all? I'm also with my bro.
Where's the lighter, bro? All right, bros, we're gonna. Hey, put the camera up, me, bro.
Yo, what's up? What's up, YouTube?
Bros, we're gonna light up.
Yes, dude. So yeah, guys, I'm also with my bro Hassan here, another YouTuber. Subscribe to his YouTube channel over here. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, it's gonna like fall.
All right, because I'm also gonna record.
Okay, let's do this.
All right. Oh no, there's no lights or anything.
It's okay. You could just record on my phone.
Oh, I need lights. Okay, this is good. What's going on, everybody? So we're gonna light some shit. Up.
Yo,
We're gonna get some fireworks.
Yo, sick. Introduce me. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Nav here, back with another video.
Okay, so today.
Basically, like today, we're like recording this fireworks happening today. You know, we're blasting like a bunch of like fireworks happening.
Okay, who wants to take my keys?
I'm already holding my own camera. We blasting some like fireworks right over here, so we'll see like just what happens. Hopefully, like police. Hopefully, police doesn't like fucking catch us or anything. So, yeah.
Good boy. And before we do anything else, we're gonna get the lighter and we're gonna light it up.
Yeah. So my bro here is just like lighting the fire track, the firework right over there.
Here comes the fire, and here.
Yeah, guys. Here.
Don't go close.
Yo, yeah. I don't want this shit to like explode to my fucking face. Yo, what the fuck? Yo. Careful. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, careful. No, one fucking way, yo. What the fuck, motherfucker? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck, motherfucker? Yo. What the fuck is this shit going on? Yo, what the fuck was that, man? Holy shit.
I'm scared we get in shit. No, don't knock it over.
All right. Okay, you know what? Why don't I just record you?
Let them in. No, okay, do you want to do it or do you want me to?
You do it because I'm having trouble.
Yeah.
Is it lighting?
Not yet.
Oh, yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck, motherfucker? Yo, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit, yo. Yo, what the fuck's going on? Shit. Oh, this is there. What the fuck? So guys, like,
Who wants to go next? Does anyone want to light it up?
no, I'm not lighting up. I'm too busy on YouTube, bro, recording.
But if you want, I can hold your phone and you can light it up.
Okay, guys, like, okay, so guys, my bro's gonna hold my camera for here, so.
And he's gonna record.
But why is it front facing?
Yeah, change the line. Change instead of like holding it like this, hold it like this instead to record.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, don't drop.
All right, Nav is gonna do it,
Now you're gonna do this one. Okay?
but he needs Waleed's supervision.
Yeah, I need your supervision.
That's fine.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
guys,
was
so
easy.
he's gonna like.
But
this
you
is how
have
do
to
it,
get
'cause
rid
I've
of the
never-
plastic
I've never
entirely.
done fireworks.
That's okay. Not all. That's
Because that's what happened when it didn't blow up.
It
Remember?
blows up all right every time it's blowing up.
But the plastic keeps it in, no?
No.
All right, I'm gonna take your word for it.
Throw it in the garbage. Hey, throw this in the garbage. You know? Now,
I hope it doesn't blow it up on my face,
Now,
and this too.
Your turn, okay? Now, seriously, I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna like do my first ever one.
Okay.
How do you
First
want
practice doing the lighter, okay? This is how you do a lighter. Light up a lighter.
Like this?
Yeah. No, with your thumb.
Like here.
Yeah, that's the one. This one. You know what? Try,
Yeah, I'm scared.
Try
I'm
this
scared.
lighter.
Is it?
You, he can't fire up a lighter.
I can't.
Move.
Oh no, here it goes. Here it goes.
I was had a hard time owning a lighter because I heard smoke in my fucking lighter. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I'm out of shit. Yo, what?
Bro, I told you to take that thing off, bro.
Shit going on.
Oh, we're gonna do two, bro.
There's gonna be like another.
But take the thing off, bro, because look at what happened.
No, it's not. What do you want to be taken?
Okay, okay, that's good. That's
Okay,
good.
okay. Yo, Hassan, give me my
take-
phone, brother. Shit, guys. Yes.
That was intense. Again. Big up, close up.
Not your lighter, please.
Yeah, here we go, bro. So there's gonna be like another fucking one going here on Canada. Today's Canada Day today, so just y'all let y'all know. So
Lighters are,
Come on, bro. What is that, bro?
Sometimes the
I hope it doesn't blow up on our face.
oh, if it blows up in our face, fucking motherfucker! Yo, what the? I swear, it's gotta be some fucked up shit, yo. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, I'm out of this shit. Yo, what the fuck? Guys, sorry for my personality right now. That's how I get when I get overexcited and overhyped. So yeah, please forgive.
This is not to my. I thought it was gonna go up.
Yeah, bro, we don't have like $2,000 to spend on that shit. Yeah.
$2,000? Alright, but this is so good. Because the government doesn't trust people.
Guys, like some crazy shit going on.
I think
Yeah.
crazy.
Dorleen, what's up, bro?
What's up?
Yeah, and
Okay, the next thing I want to do is this. The race car.
Okay, do the race car.
okay, so my brother over here is gonna do the. So what you gonna do now?
No, he's gonna do this first, and then I'm gonna do the race
Wait,
car.
can you see your face into this camera?
Yeah, but I'm on the bottom of the screen.
Oh, you're. Oh oh. Well, you're not bottom of the screen. You're not bottom of the screen.
Yeah, cause now I'm right, but earlier I was wrong.
Oh shit. Yeah, guys, there's gonna be some screening issues as I post this video, so just like don't get like all don't like start hating me on the comments or your screen is upside down or anything. So yeah.
So I'm gonna try this race car themed firework. And I don't know what this is supposed to do, so I'm gonna put it on the floor and it's gonna run. And like, so like shout out to all the racer fans.
Yo,
This
what
is
the
for you,
fuck?
my babies.
Yo, what the?
Let's see what it does.
Right, yo, guys. Yeah, this is gonna.
That was it. Oh, it's coming.
Yo. Yo, what the? Yo, if it blows up on my face.
That's it.
I think that was cool. It's cute.
I thought it was gonna still down.
Okay, but it moves around.
It's still burning, bro. That's what blows up.
Yo, if it blows up on you, yo, Hassan, freaking move, man. It's gonna blow up on your fucking face.
I wanna keep this as a souvenir.
Keep it. This guy wants to keep it as a souvenir. What the fuck?
Like a burnt.
He wants to keep that as a souvenir. Who does that? I would never do that.
But what I thought was gonna happen is Because I thought the firework was going to let it go zoom.
That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. I thought it was just gonna go. It's gonna go straight to the right. It's gonna. Yeah, imagine you just throw it and it just blows off or something.
Should we put it on the dirt? Because this one you just stick it on the ground.
But still, I don't want my piece to burn down.
You knurled in. Yes.
You want to light one up?
Are you okay?
What are you lighting up?
Okay.
Oh, cool. Light it up.
Good?
Okay, I think the race car is fine, but I'm going to keep it as a souvenir. I don't know how to stick this in, though, so you're going to have to. This is still burning. I don't know if it's fully burned up. I haven't seen it.
Yeah, I don't want this shit to blow up on the face. Yo, guys, run!
What is that?
Yeah. Yo.
Oh,
That was it?
that was it.
Give me a lighter.
What was this?
Yo, what the fuck? Guys, what the fuck? Yo, if I was there, I would kill myself.
Nothing's gonna happen to Orange.
What the yo? Bro, if anybody was there, somebody would have gotten her. The fuck?
That's what I was thinking. No, it's really easy to get my hand for it. Where's the
I don't want to do it.
Is this a Roman?
I'm trying to see what it is here.
Air bomb.
Okay, oh, is this? What are we doing with this? How does this work?
Wait, I'm telling you.
Here's this here.
This was
We got it here. No, taking it off. No.
But how are you gonna make it stay still though?
because I
Yo, this is gonna blow up on my face or something. What the fuck? Fuck.
No, it wasn't.
Guys,
It was the right way.
Yo, I just don't know what's going on, yo. I don't fucking know, man.
Yeah, how do we?
What the hell? I kept it this way.
No, it's supposed
Yeah.
to be this way.
No, it cannot be like.
Bro, this is closed.
It's supposed to go in the
This
ground.
is open. This is supposed to
This part is supposed to go on the ground.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's supposed to be on the dirt. You did it upside
You
down.
guys, I don't.
Bro,
I mean, it still worked.
Wait.
what happened was it blew up itself and then it
To be
flew in
honest,
the
I
air.
kind of prefer it this way.
Wait, guys. Wait, guys.
I'm gonna try the other way.
Are you still recording on your YouTube video?
Yes.
Wait, yeah, when are you gonna stop recording? One more firework and that's all?
I'm gonna record the whole thing, bro.
Okay, yeah, I'm doing the same. Guys, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. It's already 15 minutes, my video. It's already been 15 minutes.
But where's the fuse, though? Oh, there it is. The fuse is on the side of the thing. Let's try again, but the right way up this time.
Fuck, yeah.
I'm gonna record every single one of these damn thing. That's the only way to do it. Let's try to connect the fuses together with it.
It's gonna really hold on.
We broke it. What if we do one here and one here? Or actually just remove this altogether and just like place it. Like
He's,
that.
he's not wrong, yeah.
Okay.
Like put them actually get another one. Is there another one?
No.
Alright, we're gonna do two at the same time. We're gonna put their dicks together and then we're gonna line it up. Is that on YouTube?
Yeah, he said that, dude.
No,
This,
but
That's fine, that's funny.
be very careful
this
though.
guy literally said put. I'm not gonna say it on
Alright,
YouTube.
yeah, we both like-
Y'all heard what my bro said over there.
Let's do two at the same damn time.
Be careful.
Okay, light
You
them up.
guys, just back away,
This
guys.
one doesn't work.
I'm gonna run.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, if this blows up on my face, like I'll fucking like beat
Yo,
the
you
shit.
need to calm down.
I know.
Put their dicks together.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
This guy mentioned it already 2 times. We got it, bro.
Oh no, it's only one.
Yo, what the fudge? Yeah.
I wasn't recording. I wasn't recording. Okay, how many are left? It's 29. Yeah. Okay, Nuruddin. George, you want to light up one? No. All right.
Oh, I was wrong. Sorry. Oh, wait, no, that's something else.
Oh, this is a neon one.
Oh, I think this is a big boy.
Oh, this will do last. We'll do this last. This is going to be the best one.
No, there's different ones.
Oh, there's one. We'll do one right now just to see what it's like.
Wait, is the last one or what?
No.
Okay.
I
And you weren't supposed to take it all out.
Oh, okay. Well, oh, yeah, you're right. Well, you know what? No problem. There it is. What I thought was this was a pack of something.
Wait, this itself is a firework?
Yes.
Oh.
No, don't take it off.
Put it back.
Yeah, I can work. Can you shine the light on that? No, I can't find it. Find it. That's this.
I want to make sure.
You're doing it
No,
right.
but we are though.
We
I'm
have
telling
been
you.
doing
Every time it blows up on the floor.
Because we didn't buy expensive shit. Like,
Oh, really?
no, we didn't buy real ones.
Oh. Because I thought it was pretty expensive.
Real fireworks are like $2,000.
All right, fine.
I left the.
All right.
So enough with the baby stuff. Now we're gonna do the big stuff. Is it lighting? Oh, it didn't even light. It actually blows up.
Okay, guys, so they're gonna be. What the fuck? Holy shit! What the fuck? Fucking shit, motherfucker! Shit! What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck was? Yo, that was a fucking heart attack there, man. What the fuck? Yo. Yo.
No, listen, Hassan, we couldn't, there was nothing we could do. Because listen, it burned
The
the first
fuck?
time, and then the second time, it
There's
I didn't
fuck.
start off right the first time.
You guys would say.
It was right, it was the right direction. It was done right. But then because it's cheap quality, when the first view, it kind of like shifted the thing. Not bad.
What the fuck?
Yo, that was scary. I'll admit.
That was. I thought it was gonna be.
Like I thought it was gonna blow on my face or something. Like.
Sure, door will be These three we can do at the same time. That's your suggestion. The race car in the pole. Wait, who just opened my car? Waleed, you have like keys.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Wait, Hassan. Are you gonna record the whole thing?
I'm not recording every second of it. I'm just recording only the.
Okay, guys. Like, I have to end this video after this, so there's gonna be more fireworks that y'all gonna see. This is the last firework, and then after this, I'm done recording for the whole day. I think we've seen enough. So, guys, it's the last one. Okay.
To me, I only record. I don't record the in between.
That's what I do. Okay.
You have a letter?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, we're gonna light it up.
Yeah. Hold this, please. Guys, careful.
Let's light this one up.
You guys. Yo, just wonder what. Whoa, damn.
Oh my
Yo, what the fuck?
You're getting so lucky that it's not hitting the cars.
Yo, that's so stupid. That's some stupid fireworks over there. But guys, careful.
Careful in case it goes again. Okay.
Hi y'all, this is all for today. Have a nice day. Take care. It's your boy Nav here. Have a grateful day. Hope y'all stay blessed. Take care. Peace.